Today we will show you how to install your bike on the NEO 3M. Make sure you have installed the proper end cap supports and end caps for your bike type. This video will show installing a Thru-Axle bike. Shift your bike to the smallest cassette gear. Remove the rear wheel. Align your bike on the trainer and place the chain on the smallest sprocket of the trainer cassette. Insert your axle and hand tighten. Next, place the wheel support under the front tire. The small side holds a tire width max of 30 mm and larger side max of 61 mm. Now you are ready to ride. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.